In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT into WhatsApp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open WhatsApp on your device. You can do this by either using the app on your phone or navigating to the web version at web.whatsapp.com. Once you're in, we'll move on to the next step. The next thing you'll want to do is click on the new chat icon. If you're using the app, it's typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. For those using the web version, it should be located at the top left. Go ahead and click that icon to start a new conversation. Now that you're in the new chat interface, you'll see an option to add a new contact. Click on New Contact. This step is essential because you'll need to add a contact for ChatGPT to chat with. After you click New Contact, the next step is to add the country code. This is important to ensure your contact can be reached correctly. Click on the country field, and you'll see a list of countries. Scroll until you find United States and select it. This step is crucial because it sets the correct dialing code. Once you've selected the United States, you'll need to type in the phone number associated with ChatGPT. It's important to follow the format correctly. I recommend copying the number directly from the resource you're using so it's entered accurately. This will ensure that when you initiate a chat, everything runs smoothly. After you've entered the phone number, it's time to fill in the contact details. Set a first and last name for this new contact. Feel free to name it something straightforward like ChatGPT so you can easily identify it later. Once you've filled in those details, make sure to save the contact. This is the final step before you start chatting with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Now, let's recap what we've done so far. You've opened WhatsApp, started a new chat, added ChatGPT as a new contact, and saved that contact with a name. You're now ready to send your first message. To begin chatting with ChatGPT, simply click on the contact you just created. You can start typing your questions or prompts just as you would in any normal chat. Whether you're looking for information, asking for help with a task, or simply curious about something, ChatGPT is now just a message away. So go ahead and send your first message. The moment you hit send, you'll be able to interact with ChatGPT seamlessly within WhatsApp. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Remember, the more you explore and engage, the better you'll get at using this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Happy chatting!